This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 46 Demonstration-XVII. This video introduces the Java Swing library for creating graphical user interfaces, covering how to create JFrame windows, panels, buttons, and other UI components. It discusses including JFrame and JANL components in Java Swing programs by importing the necessary packages and creating instances of these classes, demonstrating how to add buttons to panels and panels to frames. The next part focuses on creating a simple swing button by instantiating a button object, adding it to a JFrame, and configuring properties like size, layout, and visibility. It then explores an alternative approach to GUI creation by initializing components in a constructor and combining smaller classes to build larger applications, leveraging code sharing across packages. Another technique demonstrated is extending the JFrame class itself to add components without creating an explicit instance, providing a top-down approach to GUI development. To handle user interactions, the video explains how to use action listeners with G buttons to execute code when a button is clicked, such as printing a welcome message. It also covers adding images to buttons by creating an image icon instance and specifying the image file path, allowing for customization with icons, symbols, or videos. Moving on, the video demonstrates adding a text field component for user text input, similar to creating a simple calculator with event handling and the swing package. For secure user input like passwords, the JPassword field component is introduced, masking the user's input for added security in login interfaces. The video then explores using checkboxes to create two selectable options, one initially marked and the other unmarked, simulating selection between choices like programming languages. Continuing with selection components, the radio button is presented as a circular alternative to the rectangular checkbox, following the same process but with a different visual style. The JSpinner component is also covered, allowing users to choose numeric values within a specified range and increment, useful for controlling precise numeric input. Lastly, the video discusses the JToggle button, which toggles between two states like on-off or true-false, using an item listener instead of an action listener for event handling. In summary, this video provides a comprehensive introduction to various Java Swing components, customization options, event handling, and real-world application examples like calculators, login forms, and option selectors. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.